How to make a paracord cross. You can use this for a necklace or a keyring or everything you want. So in the next few minutes you will learn how to make this beautiful paracord project. Enjoy and have fun. Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna use these two strands of a Paracord 550, the gold diamonds and the black, and this gold paracord also 550. Before we start, if you will learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I am wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So first we're gonna take and gutted our strands, so we're gonna pull out the inner cords. So we need to cut off the ends of our paracord and pull out the inner cords, as I said. So now when we pull out our inner cords, we're gonna melt the ends and now we're gonna take the ends of a strand and pull them together to find the center. So when we find the center, we're gonna cut there and make two strands out of this one. Make sure to melt the ends, and we're gonna do the same on the gold paracord. So as you can see, we have the 4 separate strands of a gutted paracord. I'm gonna use the 2 of them in the beginning. So first we're gonna, sorry about the focus. So take the ends of a cords and pull them together to find the center of it, like so. Now when we find the center, we're gonna start with our knot. It's a box knot. So here in the center we're gonna simply, let me just show you, create a little cross, or we're gonna cross our cords like so. And now from here we're gonna pinch this center and then take the gold cord, pass it on top of the gold diamonds and the black. Then the gold diamonds and the black, we're gonna cross it on top of this cord here. Now with this cord, gold, we're gonna cross it on top of the gold diamonds. And now with the strand we left here, we're gonna take it and cross it on top of the gold cord. As simple as that. Now we're gonna take our gold and the black diamonds and we're gonna pass it under this gold strand here. From here we're gonna simply tie this knot and proceed. As you can see, the box shape, that's why the knot is called the box knot. And now we're gonna just follow this box pattern. So we're gonna take these gold diamonds and black and pass it on top of this part here. Now we're gonna take this gold cord and we're gonna pass it on top of the gold diamonds and black. And now we're gonna take this gold diamonds and black strand and pass it on top of the gold strand. Now from here we're gonna return with this gold strand on top of the golden diamonds and under this strand of a golden diamonds, as you can clearly see. And again, the gold and the black diamonds on top of this part here, the gold strand on top of the gold and the black diamonds. Now this strand of gold and the black diamonds on top of the gold cord, and from here this gold strand on top of this gold and the black diamonds, and then under this strand here or through the loop as you wish. So on top and then under. So as you can see, we finished two sides or two parts of our project. We're gonna count it one more time. This one we will not count. So this side here and this side here needs to have the 4 complete loops. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And on the top side 1, 2, 3 and 4. Also this end here 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm gonna turn a bit so this will be the better side of it, and this one as well. So we're gonna join them together. I want this gold side to be the front of my cross, and this gold diamonds and black will be the sides. So we're gonna start by making the bottom and the top side of our cross. So here we're gonna cross our strands and proceed with our box knot. And first we're gonna pass these gold diamonds on top of this gold strand here. Now we're gonna take this gold strand and pass it on top of the golden diamonds. And now from here we're gonna take this end of golden diamonds and we're gonna pass it on top of the gold strand. And with this gold we're gonna pass it on top of the golden diamonds. And now on top of this one and under this one here, as you can see. Now once more, the gold on top of the gold and the black, the gold and the black on top of the gold. Now the gold strand on top of the gold and the black, and the gold and the black strand on top of the gold and the black and under this second gold. So like this. So as you can see here, we have the forced loops on top from each side. Now we're gonna pass to the bottom side, and then we're gonna return to the top side to finish our Paracord project. So here we are. I finished the bottom side, and we have 4 loops on the each side and the top side, and the 7 loops on the bottom side. Now we're gonna cut off this excess of a cord and melt it down. We are left just to insert this strand here from the back through this end here, and then to cut and melt when we create the part where we later on can use the loop for the keyring or the necklace or anything like it. And one small detail here, we're gonna take the cord and we're gonna cut some length of a cord. Let's say like this will be enough, about 2 inches. And we join them together. Now we're gonna insert it from the top into this hole here. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and a family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon in the next tutorial. Bye!